So we have been working on this miniature house and it's time to build the plant room that's supposed to go right here. Now this is what the plant room is supposed to look like. I feel like it's just a lot of wasted space. So instead we're gonna be building a little mini terrarium for these little miniature lizards I made. If you wanna see the video on how I made them, it is up on my channel. So the plants and the stones are gonna be great for the terrarium, but we also need to add some stuff for our little lizards right here. So I have these little plastic pieces, which I think I'm gonna make into like a food in a water dish. And then we also need to add like shelves to the wall here so the little lizards can climb up and down them. I think I'm just gonna make it out of a popsicle stick. I think I'll cut it up a bit and then paint the popsicle stick maybe white, because I think that would look good on these walls. But let's get to doing that. Okay, all these need to dry and I need to clean off my hands. Okay, so this is gonna be the base of the terrarium, and then here's gonna be where the plants come out of. So while this is drying, I'm gonna set it over here. Then we need to actually be making these plants. So we're gonna finally use this guy. Then we have to do the stems for the plants, which we're gonna make out of this green wire and this brown rope. Okay, all three of these tall trees are now done. While that's drying, we gotta figure out where we wanna hang these shelves. I'm gonna put it along the wall over here. I wouldn't go much lower than this because I think this is pretty much how tall the base is. So we are going to tilt the house and we're gonna see if everything's stuck on appropriately. Oh, just the pillow fell off. Not too bad. There's one. There's two. Now I'm just gonna set this aside, let these dry, and we'll move back to our plants. Here is the base. It is about 90% dry, and I know when I normally say that, it's not. So fingers crossed it actually is this time. So these guys are gonna go through this little hole, kind of flopped over going in through the hole, but hopefully when I add them more, oh, yep, that's not totally dry. One more, just go in, and then I can let you finish drying. Okay. That was a mistake. I own it. That was a mistake on my part. Okay, let's add the base for our terrarium into the house. So this is what it's currently looking like. We still need to add in the rocks and the plants. So we have this little pack of stones I'm gonna add to the bottom. I'm not really sure if we want to add this guy in too. I think it just might be too much for that small square box because we also have to add in one of these guys to the bottom. Okay, so now we have to add in the little pet bowls. So there's one. I probably should have pushed that one to the inside to make it easier to put in the second one. So now we have these three little lizards up here that we need to choose who goes where. I think the brown one might go on the floor, and then the orange one and the green one. One's gonna go up here. Maybe one's gonna go on the wall. And the green one, I'm just gonna put up on this shelf. I'll have him looking out the window. Okay, so this is mostly done. Now we just need to do the glass frame and then the stairs. Okay, we're just holding the top staircase in. This little orange guy up here doesn't really fit, so I don't know what we're gonna do with him. Maybe we'll act like he escaped from his little enclosure. Okay, it is done, it is dry. This one piece is not quite dry, but it is looking so good. I love it so much. The only thing we have left is just the bedroom. And then this house will be done. There is a few extra like customizations I want to do, just adding a little bit of clutter to make it more lived in. And then we have to start planning out the different holidays that we need to be decorating for our Slugly family calendar. But I will see you guys next time.